On May 24, a delegation from international friendship cities visited Dongying Vocational College. At the high-end Chemical Engineering Training Center of the School of Petroleum and Chemical Engineering, they immersed themselves in the core industrial technologies of this renowned oil city. At the Innovative Design Additive Manufacturing Center of the School of Energy Equipment Manufacturing, they explored the cutting-edge innovations of digital manufacturing technologies. At the Industrial Internet Training Center of the School of Information and Future Technologies, they witnessed real-time industrial big data integration and observed cloud-powered coordination in smart factory systems.